back to another video of Food Diary from Amritsar. In today's video, we're gonna make the most delicious and tasty and traditional Goan fole or rice dumplings. So let's go. Hey guys, so what's up? Today we are come here to pluck some jackfruit leaves to prepare the dhone. So here are the leaves, and now let's go to the kitchen.
Today we are going to prepare our traditional Goan sweet, and that is called as hole, or also we call it as dhone because it is made using jackfruit leaf. Now this is a dish especially we enjoy during our festive seasons like Sanjang, or maybe during the rainy season when you want warmth for the body. And it's a very simple dish, and here we will show you the process. Now I have taken here jackfruit leaves, for which I'll be making dhone out of it, and we will be doing the filling, or we are making the dumplings of rice which we are going to be filled in this leaves. Ingredients are, we use local rice here. I have taken 1 cup of local boiled rice which have been soaked for about 6 hours. Then for the filling, I have taken 2 cups of fresh coconut grated, and 1 cup of sugarcane jaggery, half a cup of palm jaggery, about 6 elaichi for flavoring, and for making the dumplings we are going to be using leaves of jackfruit. We are going to grind the rice using minimum water and salt to taste because we want to make a thick paste. Okay, you can see it has been done nicely, and it is very thick enough to hold, and you have to be able to apply this to the dhone or the hole which we are going to make. So this much thickness is required. Now you can see the batter is as thick like this. This is the right way you have to grind it, thick enough to hold on to the cones. Now let's do the filling. Let's take the grated coconut and the jaggery and mix them together.
Now let's add in this elaichi. Let's pound it and add in this. So here it is, and now mix it well. So once it is nicely mixed, keep it aside, and now we'll show you how to make the dhone with the jackfruit leaf.
Now let's make a cone. Now we have taken a jackfruit leaf, and I have taken a small bit of wood. This is of the palm tree, we call it as ear. So first hold it nicely like a cone and tighten it with a stick. Like this. Okay, now let me tell you how to do the filling. Take a little of the batter, put it inside, dip your fingers in water, and nicely try to put in the paste evenly, not very thick, not very thin. If you want extra, you can put a little extra. Okay, just like this. Now take a spoon of the filling and put it inside. Don't fill it totally. Now take another small amount of batter here, make it like the paste, and just cover it up. And this is how you are going to do all the other fole.
So the batter is already applied for over 25 dhones, and now we are filling them in. So now the dhone are done and stuffed, and now let's steam it.
Okay, now it's time to steam them. Let's take an idli cooker, or you can take whatever you have. A cooker also will do. Add in a cup of water, then put in the stand and nicely place them. Place them straight so that they don't fall apart and the liquid doesn't come out. Okay, we have already placed them. Now let's cover the lid and steam them for about 20 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's been about 25 minutes now. Let's open up and check. And yes, they are perfectly done. Now let's remove them and keep them to cool. Okay, our rice dumplings or our hole are ready now. Let's open up and tell you how they are. Here, let's remove the stick and we'll open them up. And you can see they are beautifully cooked. And we break it open and show you this is how they are beautifully done. You can enjoy this with a hot cup of black tea.
So guys, now the fole or done are ready. So make this now for Sanjay. And like, comment, subscribe, share and follow me on Instagram. Link in bio. Thank you. Viva Sanjay.